Just arrived at the Valentin Imperial Riviera Maya. We have rented the Imperial Suite. As you walk in, this is the guest bathroom right off the front door of the room when you come in. Also has a nice walk-in shower. And nice entryway. Beautiful fresh flowers. We're gonna go off to the left here first, which takes you into the bedroom. Nice king-size bed. This bedroom also has its own temperature control from the other part of the room. These doors will lead you out to the balcony, which I'll give you that tour in the morning when it's daylight. We got in kind of late tonight. Nice desk area. Ceiling fan, for those that like a fan going. Very pretty arrangement by housekeeping. The rose petals. Some nice little sweets that they've left us as well. And then get a load of this bathroom. Double sinks. Check out this amazing whirlpool jetted bathtub. Has a separate bathroom area that has toilet and also a bidet. And then there's also a nice walk-in shower. Plenty of space for all your bathroom toiletries that you'll need while you shower. A nice seated bench area. Tons of closet space. We've got a closet on this side. Got some complimentary slippers. Now we have the privilege package, and the privilege package comes with this nice beach bag. Also comes with your pool towels already stocked in the room. Lots of drawer space to unpack and get all your belongings put away for your week stay. Safe. There's also a steamer umbrella in case there's a rainy evening. And now I will take you out to the living room area, which has lots of space. Nice seating area, a TV, a fully stocked mini bar with your typical cervezas, juices, some chips in there, waters, sodas. Comes with a wine opener. Because also with the privilege package, you also get to select different kinds of full bottles of booze in your room. So you've got all your glassware, depending on what you like to have for your adult beverage. You've got a nice little coffee machine. And then also there's a little bit more storage, again, more closet space next to the mini bar. Nice seating area if you want to have a dinner in one evening, because there is 24-hour room service here. Again, just more storage. Tons of storage in this suite, so I think I'm going to be probably making full use of all of this closet space because I'm kind of an overpacker. And then stay tuned for part 2. I will get you the video of our massive terrace that comes with this room category as well. Again, this is the Imperial Suite in Building 4.